So guys, these are my white dining chairs. I got them from Amazon and they take a lot of abuse on the daily. So today I'm going to show you how I keep them nice and clean by using this one amazing product. Anyway, so today's video, guys, is going to be about my favorite household cleaner. Honestly, this cleaner and maybe some bleach and disinfectant wipes. Okay, there's a few other things you would need, but anyway, because I just love cleaning products. Only need 2 products to clean your house, literally. Bleach to kind of sanitize, use it for clothes, etc. And then you would need this, and it's called Awesome. No, I don't have the spray top, and no, I don't know where it is. And I don't really care because I use it so often for so many different things that it is just freaking ridiculous. It only costs $1. For $1, you get 32 ounces. Technically, if you took like a spray bottle and added like water to it, it would be like 64 ounces because it's just amazing. I don't like to dilute it. I like to just use it as is, and it is a great degreaser. With all that being said, I like to exfoliate. I like to exfoliate a lot. Plus, I just like to have incredibly soft skin. Like, there's no better compliment when a man hugs you or like rubs you and he says, oh my god, you feel so soft. After you exfoliate and then use that soap, the tub is kind of greasy and dirty, and if I shave, then it's hairy. Like, it's bad, right? So Awesome, this stuff literally makes cleaning so much quicker. All that grease and dirt in here, it would literally take forever. Like, every time I buy Lysol, the Lysol spray, right, it kind of works good for a little bit and then I just get kind of sick of it. So literally I just use Awesome. And then if I want my bathroom to smell like really, really good, sometimes I will use Awesome and then I use Gain in the tub so that the bathroom can just smell like laundry. Like, I don't know, I'm just weird like that. Or Fabuloso sometimes. Like, I just like things to smell good and be shiny, and this cheap product works for all of that. Like, it literally works for all of that. So now that I'm done talking you guys to death, I'm actually going to give you a little demo. As you know, I do have an 8-year-old child, and I have a dog, and then I'm also messy myself. So this saves us a lot of freaking time. We have white dining chairs. Like, how on earth do I have white dining chairs with an 8-year-old? Awesome. This stuff right here, this is the only reason why I have white furniture. I'm gonna show you guys like this chair. I'm just gonna do it, F it. So I put makeup on my knees because my knees are like discolored. So I did like this when I went to go open the blinds, and this is what I was left with. So anyway, I was like, let me get some Awesome and clean this up. And then that's when I took a look at the chairs and noticed that they do have a little bit of spots and things on them that need to be taken care of. These chairs don't get used at all. Like, there's one back there. We have a very small house, so those 2 chairs don't get used, so I don't have to worry about cleaning them, and I've already started taking care of that one. So I'm just going to show you guys a quick demo real quick just on this chair. Guys, I'm done cleaning this chair. Right now I'm just drying it off with a paper towel. It looks pretty clean. I think it looks great. I think it looks great. But guys, that's literally how I have white chairs with an 8-year-old, and it's all thanks to this product. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you want me to do more clean with me videos, please give this video a generous amount of thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.